Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 1.0 KR engine series is a compact, lightweight, and highly fuel-efficient three-cylinder gasoline engine primarily designed by Daihatsu, a Toyota subsidiary, for small city cars and K cars. Introduced in 2004, it has been a staple in many entry-level Toyota, Daihatsu, and even some PSA Group, Citroën, Peugeot vehicles, particularly in Europe and Asia. Engine overview and history. The 1KR engine family is characterized by its inline three-cylinder configuration. Key features include displacement, 1.0 L, 998 cubic centimeters or 996 cubic centimeters, depending on version. Construction, all aluminum alloy cylinder block and head, contributing to its exceptionally light weight, around 69 kilograms dry. Valve train, DOHC, dual overhead camshaft, with 4 valves per cylinder. VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence on the intake camshaft. Some later versions also have dual VVTi on exhaust. This system optimizes valve timing for better performance and fuel economy. Fuel system, multi-point fuel injection, YEFI. Timing chain, utilizes a timing chain intended to last the engine's lifetime. The 1KR was developed to be a highly economical and low-emission engine for urban environments. Its compact size and light weight are crucial for the small vehicles it powers, contributing to better overall vehicle handling and fuel efficiency. Versions. Several versions of the 1KR engine exist, tailored for different markets and applications. 1KR FE. This is the most common and original variant, featuring VVTi on the intake side. It has been continually refined to meet evolving emission standards, e.g., from Euro 4 to 6.2 Euro. Power output typically ranges from 67 PS, 49 kilowatts, to 73 PS, 54 kilowatts, with corresponding torque figures. It's built in Japan and Poland. 1KR B52, revised version used in PSA Citroën C1/Peugeot 108 since 2016. The engine was modified to meet the 6.2 Euro emission standard whilst boosting performance to 72 HP. 1KR Vvti, a turbocharged version, offering significantly more power and torque, e.g., 98 PS and 140 Nm, found in models like the Daihatsu Thor/Toyota Tank/Rumi and Toyota Raiz/Daihatsu Rocky. Applications. The 1KR engine is extensively used in a variety of small cars. Toyota Aygo/Citroën C1/Peugeot 107-108, joint venture models, especially in Europe. Toyota Yaris/Vitz, some markets, as a base engine. Toyota IQ. Daihatsu Surion/Boon/Mira/Core. Toyota Agea/Wigo, emerging markets. Parajua Axia/Beza/Ativa, Malaysian market. Daihatsu Ayla/Sigra. Opinions and review. The 1KR engine generally receives mixed but often positive opinions for its intended purpose. It's lauded for its outstanding fuel efficiency and low running costs, making it ideal for city driving. Its compact size allows for spacious interiors in small cars. However, as a small three-cylinder engine, it comes with inherent characteristics that some users might find less desirable. Advantages. Exceptional fuel economy. This is arguably its strongest point. Its small displacement, lightweight design, and VVTi technology make it incredibly frugal, especially in urban environments. Low emissions. Designed to meet stringent modern emission standards, making it environmentally friendly. Compact and lightweight. Contributes to the agility and overall efficiency of the small cars it powers. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain, eliminating the need for periodic, costly timing belt replacements. Reliability. Generally good for a simple engine. It's generally reliable, following Toyota's reputation, especially with regular maintenance. Disadvantages. Vibration and noise. As a three-cylinder engine, It inherently produces more vibration and a distinct thrumming noise compared to a four-cylinder engine, particularly at idle and higher RPMs. While modern versions have improved, it's still noticeable. Modest power and torque. It provides just enough power for city driving, but can feel strained when accelerating aggressively, climbing steep hills, or on highways, especially with a full load. Overtaking maneuvers require careful planning. Rough idle. Potential due to its three-cylinder nature. A slightly rough idle can be perceived as normal, but sometimes it can be exacerbated by minor issues. Not for performance enthusiasts. It's purely an economy engine and offers no sporty driving characteristics. Common faults and breakdowns. While generally reliable, the 1KR engine isn't without its known quirks and potential issues, particularly in earlier versions and at higher mileages. Increased oil consumption. Earlier 1KR FE. Some early versions of the 1KR FE engine were known to consume oil excessively, often attributed to piston ring design. This was a significant concern for some owners. Toyota has revised designs over the years, and later models are less prone to this. Regular oil level checks are crucial. VVTi actuator rattle/VVTi gear issues. A characteristic diesel-like rattle on cold startup, or sometimes a continuous rattling, can indicate we're in the VVTi actuator or the timing chain components. This is a common issue across many Toyota engines with VVTi. Timing chain stretch. While designed to last the engine's life, the timing chain can stretch over very high mileage, leading to rattling noises, often similar to the VVTi rattle, and potentially affecting valve timing. Water pump leaks. A common wear item. The water pump can develop leaks over time, necessitating replacement. Ignition coil failures. Individual ignition coils can fail, leading to misfires and a rough running engine. Lambda, oxygen, sensor failures. These sensors can fail, leading to incorrect fuel mixture readings and potentially affecting fuel economy or triggering the check engine light. Engine mount wear. Due to the inherent vibrations of a three-cylinder engine mounts can wear out faster, leading to increased cabin vibrations. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption is a major selling point for the 1KR engine. Real-world figures vary depending on the vehicle, transmission, manual or automatic/CVT, and driving style. Combined cycle NEDC/WLTP typically ranges from 3.8 to 5.5 L/100 km, 43 to 62 mpg US/51 to 74 mpg UK. City driving. Expect figures closer to 5.0 to 6.5 L/100 km, 36 to 47 mpg US/43 to 56 mpg UK. Highway driving can drop to 3.5 to 4.5 L/100 km, 52 to 67 mpg US/63 to 80 mpg UK, demonstrating its efficiency in steady-state cruising. For example, a Toyota Aygo with a 1KR FE engine can achieve excellent real-world mileage, especially in urban settings. Timing. The Toyota 1KR engine uses a timing chain system. This is a robust design that is generally considered maintenance-free and designed to last the life of the engine, meaning there are no prescribed replacement intervals like with a timing belt. However, as noted in common faults, the chain can stretch over very high mileage, leading to noise and requiring eventual replacement of the chain and tensioners. Oil. Recommended engine oil. For the 1KR engine, Toyota typically recommends 0W, 20, or 5W, 30 full synthetic engine oil. Some older manuals might list 5W, 40, or 10W40. The owner's manual should always be consulted for the specific recommendation for your vehicle's model year and region, as viscosities have trended lower over time for improved fuel efficiency. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is quite small, typically around 2.8 to 3.1 liters, 2.9 to 3.3 U.S. quarts, with a filter change. Due to this small capacity and the engine's operation, it's crucial to adhere to recommended oil change intervals and to check the oil level regularly, especially for earlier models that might be prone to higher consumption. History. The 1KR engine officially debuted in 2004, first appearing in the Daihatsu Boon and Toyota Passo. It quickly became the engine of choice for the collaborative Toyota Aygo, Citroën C1, and Peugeot 107, later 108, city car project, which launched in 2005. Its development was a joint effort between Toyota and Daihatsu, leveraging Daihatsu's expertise in small, efficient engines. Over its production run, it has undergone continuous refinement to improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and address early known issues, ensuring its longevity in the market for various subcompact and K-car applications. Its continued use in new models, like the Peradua Axia and Toyota Wigo, highlights its enduring relevance in the compact car segment. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.